Right then, let's talk about hanging a radiator, and more importantly, how to make sure it actually stays put. We've all been there, right? Staring at a wall of fixings in the DIY shop, just hoping for the best. Here's the thing. A radiator isn't just a heavy picture, and thinking it is, that's a huge mistake. See, there are 3 hidden forces at work that you've absolutely got to know about. First up, the invisible water weight. That can easily add another 15 kilos you didn't account for. Then there's thermal expansion. That heating and cooling creates tiny vibrations that can wiggle fixings loose. And because radiators stick out, they create this massive pulling out force on the top brackets. So what does this all mean? Well, your fixing is totally useless if it isn't right for your wall. Your first job is to figure out what your wall's made of. There are basically 3 main types. Okay, once you know your wall type, let's rank the fixings, from the absolute worst to the best. Honestly, just avoid these. They have no pull-out strength and are pretty much guaranteed to fail. Now, these might look okay, but they're risky. They're really only for very specific, solid walls. This is what you want. These heavy-duty fixings work by spreading the load behind the wall. Genius! But picking the right fixing is only half the job. You've got to install it properly, too. So how strong do you need to go? Well, people lean on them, kids might even climb them. The rule of thumb from the pros is simple. Aim for 4 times the radiator's static weight. 4 times. And here's a brilliant little tip. Always use a washer. It's great for soaking up those vibrations. So before you even pick up that drill, just run through this quick checklist. You won't regret it. Because when a fixing fails, it's a disaster. If you're ever in doubt, just call in a professional.
The Radiator Hub. Your home, your heat, your hub.